my god. My butt tickling. Tickling my butt. Oh man, stop! Stop it, please! Please, please. That was a pretty good red match, I would say. I think 4. Let's check again. And also lower gear. Yeah, I can go now. Is that a rabbit? Yes, there was a rabbit standing by the side of the road. And it got scared when it saw me on my big bike. Big red bike. And black. Big black bike. BBB. Yeah, big black bike. Or it's also a big red bike. Big black red bike. BBRB. Or BRBB. Big red black bike. No, big black red bike. That sounds better. It's gonna be BBRB. I've been going fast. Got 200 on the dash. Yeah. I didn't have 200 on the dash. I had like 150 maybe. I don't know. I've been going fast. 150 on the dash. I hope I don't crash. Ooh, I got some bars, man. Yo, sign me up for some like freestyling competitions. Is right here. I hope I don't. Here. Here? What? Isn't it called care? I don't give a damn. Sound cool. NHL. National Hockey League. Is that what it's called? Hey, that was a nice front yard. This is also, it's pretty boring. Pretty basic, but you know, it works. It does the job. It's not like that one. That's like so old. You need to take care of your jaw, you know. And that has to be like some sort of shop or something. Factory maybe. No, not a factory, but a warehouse of some sort. Maybe they're selling drugs. If that's the case, I'm gonna have to start an investigation. But I doubt it, you know, they seem like not drugs, so yeah. Seems like some other sort of yeah, something. So I'm not gonna launch an investigation, because that would be foolish. Stop it! I think it felt like my rear tire lifted. It was probably only like this, but hey, let's face it, this is more than enough, you know. Anybody who wants more than this, they're crazy. Simply, man, they're so crazy. Maximum 30 kilometers an hour. Hey, I'm doing double that. Almost. Hey, another bike. It's a bicycle though, but still a bike. Still has 2 wheels. It's not a motorbike. It's not a BBRB. It's a bike. It's a bee. Some sort. Man. Too slow, man. I don't want to be stuck behind him all day. Slow down. He looked angry. Yeah. I wonder if that bicycle man was angry as well. But hey, he was going so slow. I don't want to be stuck behind him all day. he looked happy. For some reason, he looked like he was smiling. Maybe he was happy to see, oh, another bike. Maybe he's a fellow biker. You never know. Until you know. You never know until you know. In this case, I might never know. Because I'm not going to meet him again my whole life. Most likely.